Okay. So guys, I'm a bit depressed today because I just really want to make videos and my screen recorder thing just keeps on going. And also in my blox video, I did not say gay. I said game. If any of you guys are wondering. Now, I'm going to be playing blox again. Cause there's really been no comments about like playing another game. So there's gonna be a lot of blox on this channel. Yeah. The giveaway is happening today. Oh dang it. I just need to rejoin. I'm still becoming very depressed. While this is gone. It's really late. Well, it's not that late at night. It's 8 when I made this, and yeah, the giveaway is happening today. So whoever I see that wants the fruit are gonna get either of these. Can you stop, please? Oh my goodness! I'm going to be giving away these fruits to people that need some fruit. I had a spare light fruit, but I didn't want to spend any Robux. I don't want to spend any Robux of storing two of each fruit. So yeah, I didn't do it. If somebody really wants to join this game, then I'll give boxes. Then I'll give them food. I'll have some spare food for a giveaway for January 5th. When I'm out of school, January 5th. No, wait, oh! Hold on, come on. Oh, dang it. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where are you? And guys, don't mind that other voice, and it's not me. It's actually funny enough. I don't have them here in real life. It's just on the TV. Oh, yes, got him. In this one, so yeah, I'm gonna join another one. Once I've gotten out once I've gotten out three fruits away, then I'll be stop ending the video. Good, but it's gotta be longer. Take this out, and let's see what happens when I build the base for my number one. Okay, you know the That guy has Twitter, so he probably won't want to post it. I do not know how to spell light. Probably no one wants dark. It's actually kind of trash. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just bad for me. It just doesn't fit my play style. That is not how you spell eyes. Nope. This is a lot. and C-bomb. Oh my goodness. I already have lights! Okay, I'll take it. TY, man. Thanks. Look at all that, bro. Now. I'm gonna give him one. I'm gonna give him, how about the sound food? Dang it, I have to drop that one. I have to drop it somewhere secret. What the heck? Kill! Run! Oh, okay, no! He got to my flight! Kill! Bodhi, chill! We can talk about this! Run! I gotta go. Hey, chill! You don't have to do this! He has a lightning foot, and now I'm beating him. I feel the lightning. Run! If he's the one, he's still chasing me! Leave me alone! Leave my guts alone! What? No, no! Running me over. Oh dang it, I lost my flute. Dang it, whatever. I'll just keep this one. And guys, if you wanted light flute, I'm really sorry. Your cool monkey is that good. That's cool. My crew captain is not here, so my crew number doesn't show. Hi. No, Wobble's actually too good to lose. I can't just leave it like that. I've got to store it back. Oh, this guy says Spook Blizz. I'll give him magma. No, I can't drop it. Trade. A-D-E. Trade me! Then I can drop it! Come on, take it! Come on! Blox, what's wrong with you? Why do you have to do this? Just take it now! Drop fruit! Take it! I can't drop it! I'm trying to give you it. Also, guys, this is a recreation of what I look like in real life. I have black hair. I'm black. Ooh. I also have a light phone. Okay, bye. So, that guy's lagging a lot. Or is it me who's lagging? Dang it! Can I drop it now? Dang it. Drop. Dang it. Why can't we trade? I don't have C3 or I don't have C2 or 3. So I can't trade. Oh my goodness. I've got to wait 6 hours for me to actually store this. No, not 6 hours to store it. 6 hours to actually give it to somebody. This video is going to take so long. I'm going to be doing this another day. I can't have it.